Hello, my name is NG and welcome to my 7th tutorial on Java for beginners. Now in this tutorial we're going to look at getting input from the user. So let's just go and create a new project, and this is going to be project number 7, and click finish. Right click on this new project which we just created, and go to this class here, and let's create, I'm going to call this thing, let me call it command, and always tick this one so that Eclipse will create a main method for us. Now click finish. Now most times you would want to get input from the user, and the way to do this is first of all we will use a statement called, let me just write it so that you will see. I will say scanner starting with capital letter, and this scanner now is an object, is of the type scanner, an object of the type scanner. This is among the non-primitive data type we have. So followed by the name or the reference. For now, let me not bore you with all these semantics for now. When we start doing object and classes, you understand. So let's just say you can put any name, any reference name you want here. Let me just put input here. So, and the next thing you're going to write is equals sign, and you put a new keyword here, which means you want to create a new scanner object, and also you put scanner, and you open a bracket here. Inside the bracket you put system.in. Then let's close this statement here. If you watch, this thing is showing me error because this class, I need to import this class. So let us just, what you could do is, you could say Control Shift O, and Eclipse is going to create, automatically import this thing for you. But let's just get rid of this. Let's do it by hand. And what you will do here is come to this place and say import, give it space, java dot util dot capital letter scanner, and let's end this with a semicolon. Now I have imported this class, this thing here. For now, don't worry about this long statement here that is accepting a standard input object. So don't worry about this thing for now, but basically this will allow us to get the user input. So the next thing you're going to do is this. You will now say this input here, you will now declare a string variable, string, and give it any name you like. But in this case I want to call this thing a name. Call it any name you like. Then equal to, you will now call this input here, and you will now say this input, you put dot next line and open a bracket, then end this statement with a semicolon. Now what I've done here is this. I have used this reference variable. Anyway, for now let me not use that word, because when we get to object and classes we understand. What I'm doing here is just basically I've created a new variable of type string, and I've pointed it towards this guy right here, this new here, and I want to get the user input and store it on this variable name. So you will come here and let me say system.out.println, and in here let me say open a double quotation mark and let's say please enter your name. And also let's print out the name. So what I'm saying here is this: I've imported this class here, which will allow us to get whatever the user type on his or her keyboard. Now I'm telling the user what to do, and whatever the user type on his keyboard is going to be saved here and it's going to be printed out here. So let's run this statement. Right click here, run as Java application. So it's going to ask me please enter your name, and if I enter my name as Gozi and let me click enter, it's going to print out this name, which is this one. Let's just add let's add a word here, and let me say my name is, and let's run this thing again. It's gonna say enter my name, and it's gonna say my name is Ngozi. So this thing here allows me to get out this thing here, this my name, which I've typed, and it's going to be printed out here. So this is basically how to get input from the user. This will be useful in our subsequent tutorial. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in my next tutorial.